Damn, bro, look at this. This car had 8 struts in here, bro. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Jesus Christ, bro. Stay tuned to the video and find out why this car had 8.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, host Sway. It is late as today, but I have a day off tomorrow, so I want to get some work done on my car. Today's Sunday. I took Monday off for some other stuff that I gotta do, and I do have a car for Tuesday if this goes into Tuesday, because I don't know what issues are going to arise when you're dealing with a car that is this old, the 94 300ZX. And as you guys seen by the title, we are going to be changing the coilovers. That is what we are going to be doing in this video. My brother's gonna help me out for a little bit, but I'm gonna mainly try to do it myself. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the coilovers, show them to you guys. So I got the coilovers right here. Go ahead and open them. I bought these Black Friday. You guys know it's already April, and I still haven't got them on. I haven't had time. These are without the top part, the top hats, or the whatever you call them. These are going to be using the stock OEM top hat. I paid $465 for these. Here they go. I got all 4. Like I said, I'm just missing the top hat that goes right here, but that's not really a big issue. The stock ones go on this and they should work fine. The goal for today is just to jack it up and at least remove the 2 fronts. So my brother was pretty smart, and he said, while we have the car down, why don't we just go ahead and take apart the interior. You have to do that in order to get to the rear struts. They're right there. Both of them are exposed. It looks like they might be cake to remove them, but I'm kind of taking a step ahead of myself. We're not too sure how easy it's going to be to remove them. From how everything is looking, it looks like it's going to be pretty decent, and we're not going to have any issues with it. But what now we're going to do is we're just going to loosen those up before we jack it, since we do have a little bit of leverage right now with the car being on the floor. Oh, we've managed to get the car fully jacked up. The wheels are off, and we're ready to begin. I think the first thing we might do is just remove the rears. I think they might be the easier ones to do versus the fronts. I'm not too sure which one's going to be easier, but we're just going to go ahead and try it. But we might start on this side since there's not really that much camera room, and I'll show you guys a time lapse of the other side. So alright, here we go. We took the driver's rear, the passenger's rear is late, guys. We took 3 hours to take that one out because we're noobs. I'm a noob. Anyways, that's besides the point. But I'm gonna set you guys on a tripod. We're gonna remove this. What do you think? Alright, so as you guys saw, we got the other rear coilover out. Alright, so thanks to my brother, he told me to go ahead and do it. We got the drivers, not the drivers, why do I keep saying the drivers? We got the passenger side front coilover strut out. As you guys can see, it's right here. This was a lot easier than the rears. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on a time lapse, and we're gonna knock out the driver's front, and you guys will see how it's done and how easy it is. So alright, so you guys saw that. That was a lot quicker, a lot faster. I got a lot of minor cuts on my hands, man. My brother got them pussy hands. He put gloves on, which is probably better because this is gonna be a bitch to take off. See you guys tomorrow. For you guys in a couple seconds. So peace out. Alright, so we are back. It's already daylight outside, as you can see. Yesterday we removed the top hat off of the rears. This is what I'm gonna be using for the new coilovers, or one of the bolts mounts got broken, so I gotta figure out a way to take this out and replace it. I'm gonna go ahead and start building the other coils, and I'll just leave that right rear passenger one towards the end once I can fix that on that. But anyways, I'm gonna just put you guys on tripod. We're gonna remove the rear one and we're gonna rebuild one of the rear ones over there, and we're just gonna keep this going. Hopefully I can get this done today. So you guys kind of saw how I ended up removing the spring out of this coilover strut, and here it goes. I got it fully reassembled. I just needed this top hat and all of the little interior pieces here. I got it set up. This one's ready to be put in. These are very, very crucial to removing the spring. Anyways, I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod. I'm gonna get to removing the other two, and I'm gonna get to setting them up. I do have to go to the store so I can remove the broken stud, but before I go through that, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the other two coilovers ready. Unfortunately, with the car this old, you do run into issues. I cannot get that top hat off, and I'm annoyed and I'm pissed. So that's kind of annoying. And I also can't get out that screw for the rear top hat. I'm actually going on a trip and get another set of coils for $100 just to use the top hats to get this shit done, because I need this car done as soon as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and go pick them up. He's 30 minutes away. I'll keep you guys updated with what happens, but that's where we're at right now. Alright, so I'm back. I got a T-top to replace my 2+2 for a 2.0. And I also got 4 new ones. I paid $100 in this and $50 for this. It's getting late and I fucked with this all day. The only thing I'm gonna do is just remove the 2 top hats that I need, set up the coils, and I'm gonna call it a night. And when I get back from work tomorrow, I'm gonna just try to put them back in. To get started, I'll get back with you guys once I have all 4 coilovers ready. Yes, this is another day. A lot of you guys might be wondering, Josue, why does it take you so long just to do simple things? To be honest, it's because I don't have a lot of time to do all of these things. It is day 3 on this coilover install, which shouldn't have taken that long. It should have been done in 1 day. Finally, we got it. Everything's ready to go put back in the car. I'm gonna show you guys the coils. Here they go. They are fully ready. I wanted to get all of them ready. Assembly and reassembly should not take that long. I should not run into any issues. Now it's just smooth sailing from here. The only other thing that I need to do is adjust the height, and hopefully my ride is smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and put the passenger sides on, and then we'll just time lapse these 2 over here. So I'll get back to you guys once I have those 2 in. We got the passenger and the rear one in. There you go. Preload is already loaded. It's gonna be adjusted once I adjust the height, so that's gonna be all fucked up. Got the one in the rear. We just gotta tighten it. Hopefully it goes good and we don't run into any other issues, right, bro? Let's get to it. I don't know if I'm gonna let my brother hold the camera while I roll it out. Keep in mind, my car's a little weird noised because my power steering is fucked. So I gotta get that fixed, so we'll be okay. There you have it, guys. The car's lowered. My brother's doing me the favor and torquing down the wheels. I cleaned up the garage of the mess that I had. I put all the tools aside. I'll put them up later. That's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Please drop the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Help us reach 45,000 subscribers and follow the 300ZX build. We're just getting started. I have a lot of other parts right here in this room that do need to go on that car, but I'll catch you all next time. Peace.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering, switch gears and the fans just